going on, guys? I just wanted to make a quick video here showing you a little unboxing of my Enkei PF01 wheels that I recently just purchased for the S2000. As you can see on the right here, those are my RE71R tires going on them. Those are a 255/40/17 square setup, so I'm going to be running 9-inch wheels square around the car. As many of you know, I had 2 of these wheels already that were running on the rear of my car last year with 245s on them. So I'm going to be using those 2 on the rear still, and then these 2 right here are for the front. So, as you can see, here's the brand new wheel. Bring it up close here when I take this protective sheet off so you can see the wheel. These are the PF01 wheels from Enkei, and I think they look fantastic. They're not a very popular wheel because they have goofy offsets, and the goofy offsets are awesome for the S2000 because these wheels are 17x9 plus 60, which will keep them underneath the stock fenders pretty good, running a 255. So my goal with the car is to keep the stock fenders and not roll them at all, and run a 255 under the car with a little bit of a drop on the Öhlins DFV coilovers. And as many of you know from my other videos, I have extra 3D printed center caps I'm going to be putting in the center of these. I'm not going to be using the stock Enkei center caps because I don't think they look very good. Basically just a red H is going to go in the center of there. Alright guys, so this is what we all care about. Let's see how much these wheels weigh. These aren't forged or anything, they're just a very high quality cast wheel from Japan. So we're going to go ahead and set these on the scale. They're coming in right at 17 pounds flat. For a 17x9 wheel, that's not bad at all. I'm going to go ahead and weigh one of the RE71R tires, the 255/40/17s. And the tires are coming out to be 24.6 pounds, so that means it's about 41.6 pounds with the wheel. The tires are definitely a lot heavier than the wheel, but there's not much you can do to buy a lightweight tire besides going down in size, and I really wanted to go with a 255/40 on the car for as much traction as I could get. So 41.6 pounds at each wheel and tire, that's what it's going to be. Alright guys, so here are the tires and wheels freshly mounted. They're pretty damn big. Those are my old 245 Toyota Proxy R1Rs over there. And I got brand new RE71Rs. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, stay tuned for more. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about the wheels.